Here's a virtual tour of everything I ate in Chinatown in Manila, Philippines. Chinatown Manila is called Binondo, and it's the oldest Chinatown in the world, established in 1594. I got dropped off by a grab taxi near the Minor Basilica and National Shrine of St. Lorenzo Ruiz, also known as Binondo Church. The Binondo Church was actually the first place I wanted to visit on my Chinatown trip. It was a Saturday afternoon and the place was packed. The church is huge and open to the public. Even though it was hot and humid outside, the many fans inside kept it cool. The architecture inside and out was beautiful, and even the exterior flooring looked like marble or something similar. Across from the Binondo Church is the entrance to an outdoor market that leads to the heart of Chinatown. The market sold everything from clothes to food. The first thing I ate was the viral Hungarian overload from the Neneng food stall. I found out about it from a local who told me I had to try the viral hot dog in Chinatown. The line was kind of long, but the assembly line process of making the Hungarian overload made it move fast. They lay out the bread with lettuce, add the Hungarian sausage, load it up with ketchup and cheese sauce, and top it with grated cheese. The crazy part is that it's only 50 pesos, less than $1 USD. After getting my Hungarian overload, I asked to take a picture with the person who started it all. She was very nice. This is how the sausage is made, pun intended. Here's me eating and reacting to the Hungarian overload.
It's very sweet. It's kind of sweet, and I think from the ketchup and then the cheese sauce, I think it's from cheese sauce. Pretty good. I wish the hot dog was more crispier, but honestly, it's pretty damn good.
Next, I tried the shawarma pita from a nearby stall. I saw someone order it and it looked good, so I gave it a shot. I've had shawarma in the States, but this one looked a little different. Here's me eating and reacting to the shawarma pita.
It's kind of sweet. The cucumber and the onion is a nice touch. The beef is interesting. Pretty good. Pretty good.
This is the entrance to the heart of Chinatown. When I researched must-eats in the Philippines, Siopao came up a lot, so I added it to my list. Siopao is a bun with meat inside, kind of like a dumpling crossed with the bao bun. I went to two spots that were close to each other. The first one was Oishiekun Chinese Bites. The line was long, but moved fast. The bun was good, but I noticed another line at a nearby store, Original Shanghai Fried Siopao, which was the one I remembered from my research. I waited in line to try it and compare the two. Here's me eating and reacting to the fried Siopao. No sauce needed.
Bun ratio is a lot more meat.
Bilis lang. Bilis lang. Bilis lang pala. Baka mag-uwig ka pa. Saan tayo?
It was very juicy. The bun was very soft and slightly sweet. For 35 pesos, it's a really good deal. It's really good. And I'm drenched.
I will say, Original Shanghai Fried Siopao was better in both taste and the meat to bun ratio. And for only 35 pesos, it's a must eat. After walking off everything I had just eaten, I came across a sugarcane juice vendor on the corner. I had never had 100% sugarcane juice before, and I was thirsty, so I had to get one. The process of making sugarcane juice is kind of wild. No sugar added or water at all. Here's me drinking and reacting to the sugarcane juice.
It tastes like pure sugar water, but like good and refreshing. Like sugar, sweet sugar taste, or it's good.
A few moments later.
So my sugarcane drink, I'm not gonna assume he was homeless, but he came and pointed at my drink, and I said, "You want this?" And he said, "Yes," and I just gave it to him. Just got my cane jacked. It's all good.
Another popular dish I had to try was Mami, a noodle and wonton soup. Wei Ying fast food is a well-known sit-down spot for Mami. There are actually 2 Wei Ying locations on the same block, one for takeout and one for dine-in. Here. If you want the sit-down service, you have to put your name on the list with the Wei Ying gatekeeper. I waited about 30 minutes to get seated.
Just one.
Okay. Here's a quick look at the menu. I end up getting the beef and wonton Mami. Here's a hand-sized comparison with the bowl of Mami. Here's me eating and reacting to the beef and wonton Mami.
Like not too salty. It's not too salty. It tastes really good though. Real good. Very good. Oh, it's really good. The noodles are al dente. A little crispy, I like it. The wonton's really good, but you gotta mix it with the sauce.
If you're short on time and still want to try the Mami, you can go to any of the market stalls. I spoke to a local and they said Mami is pretty much the same throughout the market. It's just more comfortable to enjoy at a sit-down spot like Wei Ying. The last place I ate at was Tasty Dumplings. I found it while researching on YouTube. I ordered their fried dumplings, and I'll say this, since I'm from New Jersey, New York area, I wouldn't go out of my way to get them. They were solid, but pretty standard.
Chili sauce.
Okay. Hot chili sauce. I'll have it later. I just want one. Okay. Mix it together. Okay. Mix this together. Okay.
Eating my way through Binondo was an awesome experience, and I really enjoyed the culture and the food. I also felt safe the whole time. Even though someone kind of took my sugarcane juice against my will, I didn't feel threatened. It actually felt nice to share something tasty. Afterwards, I waited to take a jeepney bus. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more adventures and eats. Until then, do your best, and I'll see you on the next one.